Hey.
Morning.
It is currently 6:45. We are tired, but we got up early today to hit the Benagil Cave here in Portugal for sunrise. I was going to say sunset. It's not sunset.
But we are pumped to blow up the paddleboard we rented from a small shop called Coastal Supply in Lagos. And
Get to the cave.
over.
You guys know, well, most of you know, if you are not new around here, that David and I will pretty much do anything to avoid crowds, including waking up at ungodly hours and blowing up our own paddleboard to get over to the cave. If you don't know us, I'm Kaylee.
I'm David.
And welcome to the channel. We run a travel and adventure blog called Mean to Travel. We are passionate about activities that get you outside and off the beaten path. So, we better get pumping.
Over to one of the most photographed places in Portugal.
Yes. And I'm working really hard right now. The waves look a little rough. We're trying to find a good place to put it. All right, we made it up to the ocean. We had quite a time getting past the waves. I swam and met David out here because it was just too much. Pretty though. Yeah, I was gonna say I could jump down, but it looks really deep right here. Woo!
Oh my god.
Okay, our biggest tip on how to get this cave all to yourself, because we've had Benagil Cave to ourselves now for about an hour and a half.
And there's no one up top even, which is pretty crazy. It's cool.
And it's a Friday morning in September.
Yeah.
It's not like it's like January Wednesday or something like that.
Yeah.
So the biggest tip is you need to rent your paddleboard or your kayak or whatever you're renting to get over here the night before.
Yeah, and not a lot of the rental companies provide that service. Like we had to track one down in Lagos because none of them around Benagil offer. They open up at 9 a.m.
Yeah,
which
9
is
or
just
10.
It's just too late. Like by that time,
It's packed.
the tours are coming in. It's just gonna be so busy. So
we will actually link the shop that we used, and
they had to blow a paddleboard for us, and it worked perfectly.
yeah, they were amazing too. They only charged us for a day rate. We picked it up last night. I think it was 33 euros for the paddleboard, the life jackets, and a dry bag.
Yeah.
Which is, and we can return it at 8 p.m. tonight.
The surf is pretty intense sometimes,
Yeah.
but I think it varies. We're no experts when it comes to tides, so it was a little sketchy coming in and out. Once you're out there, it's fine.
Yeah,
But
it's just the waves coming in are pretty strong and the undertow is like insane here.
Bring a dry bag and a backpack
Yeah.
and prepare to get a little wet.
Plan to get wet. I don't know that I would recommend doing just the one stand-up paddleboard. I think it might be better if you each, like if each person in the group has one, because I actually, to get out into the water, David went out, I kind of helped him get out, and then I swam to the paddleboard just to get past the waves. So maybe a kayak would be better, or for each person to have
whatever you're more comfortable with.
Yeah, but it's definitely very doable. It's only about 500 meters off the shore of the beach to get into the cave, and like we said, we've had it to ourselves for an hour and a half. We got here at about 7:45 a.m.
Having trouble soaking it all up.
So pretty. Like I can't believe that we are here all by ourselves for so long. So pretty.
Now we just have to get back past that situation without dying. You'll know we made it out because the video will be posted on YouTube. We'll put it that way.
If you find this footage, post it on YouTube anyways.
All right, time to face these waves.
We're ready.
I'll get you Reedies this morning.
Trying to pick a good time to go, and it's tough. We made it out of the cave. What?
The waves over there look
What's the good news?
We're out.
Oh. Okay.
We only have one more.
Scary experience? Alright guys, we made it. The way back actually was not that bad. I just swam. I just stayed in the water the whole time and held on to the paddleboard for a little bit, and it went really well. So we're just gonna deflate and probably go get some breakfast.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to like it, subscribe to the channel. We have lots more content like this coming your way.
Thanks for watching guys. We'll see you in the next one.
See you in the next one.